With the Vertec full text search, you can find content from documents. Use the checkbox to filter the results list. The results are sorted in descending order of relevance. On each row, you can directly open the result or linked objects. Each item shows the location and the selected search term. The full text search finds the plural and singular of a search term. You can also find items that do not exactly match the search term. Using the checkbox activates similar word search. Spelling errors, for example, are also taken into account.